Hello guys, welcome back to Elegant Fashion Tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make a beautiful off-shoulder padded top. So guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. The items I need the lace fabric, I need a bridal satin, a zipper, I'm using a stone zipper, a matching thread and a padded foam for it. Now the first thing I'll do, I'll be cutting on my bridal satin first before I now cut on my lace fabric. For the length of the top, I'm using half length, which is 17 inches for the top. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, and bye until I see my next video.